Hi guys, today's lesson will be on product development. The objectives for this lesson, we're going to explain the product planning process. We'll identify the steps in new product development. And you see on your screen the key terms that are displayed that you're going to be learning as you work your way through this chapter. We'll also be answering the essential question, how is a new product idea developed? Before production begins for a product, planning must take place. Product planning is the process of deciding which products will be most strategic for the organization to produce. These decisions are made based on market research and development, as well as past company experience. Most companies cannot continue to be profitable by producing the same product year after year. Consumers may stop buying products because they've lost their appeal, become dated, are no longer useful, or a multitude of other reasons. In order to stay competitive, companies must have a strategy to keep their offerings current and appealing to the consumer. As part of product planning strategy, a business can create new product, reposition current product, or repackage current product to appeal to customers. A new product is a product that is different in some way from existing products. The product life cycle is a series of stages a product goes through from its beginning to the end. When a product comes to the end of its life cycle, a new product usually replaces it. A new invention can generate an idea for a complementary product. A product may also be changed or adapted to suit new customer needs. A small change made to an existing product is often considered to be a new product. Many new products are simple variations of existing products. Other products are developed to meet a specific need. Repositioning is marketing an existing product in a new way to create a new opinion or view the product in the minds of consumers to increase sales. Many existing products can be valuable for uses other than the original purpose. For example, baking soda is a common product that was originally intended to be an ingredient for baking. However, it's been proven to serve other purposes, such as a cleaning agent or antacid. Repackaging is using new packaging for an existing product. The product stays the same, but the packaging is different. Repackaging may make the product more efficient or attractive to the consumer. For example, Matern North America began packaging applesauce in plastic pouches rather than in cups. The Go-Go Squeeze product does not require a spoon to eat, which provides convenience and efficiency to Materna's customers. Developing new product is, you see on your screen, the steps in developing the product. A great deal of thought and planning goes into identifying the best products to meet the needs of consumers in a target market. A new product must meet customer needs and wants, as well as fulfill company profit goals. Marketing research is necessary to make sure a new product is the best business decision. New product ideas may be prompted by alterations to an existing product, new technology, a design that meets a new need, or many other factors. Product ideas are usually the result of trend research, observation, customer feedback, and brainstorming. Tracking trends in customer and market activity can lead to product ideas. Many large companies hire marketing research firms that specialize in trend research and new product ideas. An organization may choose to conduct its own research to identify the latest trends within an industry. Observation is a common source of product ideas. Observing people and activities within the environment may reveal unfulfilled customer needs. Finding a way to fulfill a need often leads to a new product idea. Customer feedback is critical for companies that follow the marketing concept. Customer ideas, unmet needs, complaints, and suggestions for product improvement provide important information for product development. Apple Incorporated is an example of a company that produces innovative products by listening to customers and keeping up with trends in technology. Brainstorming is a creative process that focuses on new product ideas. Bringing people together with different experiences, skills, and backgrounds can generate ideas and new ways of looking at a product. Once a list of new product ideas is generated, it must be reviewed. The goal of idea screening is to choose the best and hopefully most profitable ideas. During idea screening, new product ideas are evaluated from the customer viewpoint. This is the time to conduct research to learn if the new product will meet customer needs and wants. Idea screening needs to take place before the company makes a large investment to develop and produce a new product. Developing a new product can be expensive. A company must determine if it has the necessary people, expertise, equipment, and money to develop and promote the new product. Performing a business analysis for a new product idea involves researching the projected cost and forecasting product sales. Analysis includes calculating the cost of modifying a current product or bringing a new product to market. Market research should help determine if the product can generate enough sales to cover costs and make the desired profit. A detailed financial analysis of a new product plan is a necessary step. Any new product must be consistent with the company image, mission, and goals. An image is the idea that people have about someone or something. Many companies choose to develop a specific image through their brand. A brand is a name, term, or design that sets a product or business apart from its competition. For example, Hallmark is a brand of greeting cards and other stationery items. The product the company offers under the Hallmark brand are known to be different from competitor products. After proving the new product meets its need in the market and can meet company profit goals, the next step is product design. This is the stage where the product idea becomes a reality. During the design phase, the details of producing the product are planned. Determining the product brand is also part of the design phase. The name, image, logo, slogan, and packaging of the good or service are usually created in this stage. A prototype is a working model of a new product for testing purposes. Product designers experiment with the prototype to determine if it performs as expected. Any problems identified are fixed before full-scale production begins. Prototypes are particularly important for any product with moving parts. Prototypes are also used to get customer feedback before a final design is chosen. Researchers ask customers within the target market to test different prototypes. The responses from testers help determine which prototype and features will sell the best. Once the prototype is researched and approved, the product can go into full production. Testing must also be done to make sure a service meets the goal of the business. However, it is typically not possible to create a prototype for a service. To test new service that may be offered, a trial run may be performed. A trial run consists of testing a service on a few select customers to make sure that everything runs smoothly. A trial run is like a dress rehearsal for a business. Many companies do not immediately start producing a new product in large numbers. Test marketing introduces a new product to a small portion of a target market to learn how it will sell. Customer feedback within the test market helps a business solve unexpected problems. Test marketing may also help a company determine whether or not to mass produce the product. Commercialization is the introduction stage of a new product. Businesses select a release date to make the new product available for sale. Activities to promote the new product are critical at this point and often start before the product is even released. The production and shipping functions must have the product ready for shipment to be available to customers by the release date. New products are often introduced at industry trade shows to monitor customer response. A trade show is a large gathering of businesses for the purpose of displaying goods and services for sale. There are trade shows for every industry and type of business-to-consumer product, as well as many business-to-business products. All businesses need to know if their products are successful. The success of any product is evaluated on an ongoing basis. It is important to frequently evaluate both new and existing products. The success of a product is based on how well it meets the sale and other goals set for the product during the business analysis. The evaluation process typically involves reviewing financial records and marketing data.